Hello everyone, I hope you are all well. I apologize this video is late, but I had a lot to do last week and I had a dear friend visit me, so hope you all don't mind. I also didn't like my original narration of my first recording as I felt it was very robotic, but hopefully this version is a bit more lively, and so I had to rewrite it. I am so happy to finally share a mini tour of our apartment. Hopefully some of the pieces here can be of help for those who have recently moved or are about to move. I'll be adding all the items I spoke about on the description below, as well as add the links just in case you were interested in any of the items mentioned. Our apartment is in no way perfect, but when we moved, some of the words that came to mind were peace, love, and vibes. I was creating an intention for all of those things for this new space, kind of like Marie Kondo does before she begins helping people organize and declutter their homes. A home is a space to build memories and adding personal touches that make your soul feel at peace. Your apartment should highlight a reflection of your intentions. Now, some of the pieces in our home reflect my boyfriend and I's inner child personalities. The child that exists within both of us is still there. So don't mind that Sailor Moon wand or baby Grogu. These are just a few things that spark our inner soul. We also both love the galaxy, so I do like adding mood lighting to give my home that otherworldly take. So first up is the living room. I love this space during golden hour. I love the way the shadow and light glisten on some of the apartment decor. When my boyfriend and I moved into this apartment, we were amazed with how wide the space was. As New Yorkers, we didn't think this would be spacious because apartments in New York usually are a lot smaller. So we did not feel like adding a lot to this space, but leave it open as it was. One of my favorite things is our dark blue couch. My boyfriend picked this piece out. At first, I wasn't sure about it. I was thinking we would go with a dark gray couch because of our walls. They are very, very light gray. But the dark blue grew on me. We got this couch from Bob's furniture store. My boyfriend was looking for a couch that could turn into a bed, which when we would have guests and family, it would be nice for them to sleep in. Not only did that sell us, but this couch also has storage for quilts and throw pillows, which we didn't know about until the guy at the store popped it open. It was practical and it also is a very comfy couch. For our TV stand, we went with this faux fireplace, which we found on Amazon for an affordable price. Not only is it a mood, but it also radiates heat, and it's so great to use, especially during winter time. Since this was our first apartment, I didn't want to overspend on items we didn't really need. So, for example, we did not buy a dining table because our apartment was a partial remodel that came with its own marble table, which we barely eat from and just eat from our coffee table. I looked at many coffee tables on Amazon before deciding on this one. Again, the power of storage won me over, and I love how when you lift this table, it can become a place to eat or work. I also added some games inside like Uno or Sorry and put coloring books on the bottom shelves, again to keep the mood light, and if I have guests come over or family over, I'd like to play games with them and just keep the space in my apartment very peaceful and friendly.
Lost in my eyelids, I call you with silence, but wake up alone. Why can't you hear me? My thoughts of you piercing facades of stone. My walls will fall when my
I also added this long rounded length mirror. Mirrors can create a pretty element to one's home. I also was inspired by a few pictures that I saw on Instagram. of other people's long length mirrors.
I fly to feel high, so my mind finds the time to slow down, down, down. Lost in your eyelids, you lean into silence by chance.
The gemstone cut rug is a new piece we added to our apartment. I wanted it to match the designs on our couch's throw pillows. This is a nice area that I use to do tarot readings, drawings, meditate, or stretch.
Stand by.
We also have this simple coat hanger from Amazon, which not only hangs coats, but also we add our keys in. It also came with shelves to add our shoes we use most frequently on there.
Down the skin that traps you within. You're melting.
So the bedroom. Again, the intention was low maintenance and keep things simple. But I also added this mood lights to make our space feel galactic at night. My boyfriend and I spent a little more money on our bed, mattress, and couch, as those are the areas we tend to rest in the most. We went to Bob's furniture store and our bed came as a set with the clothing chest and vanity mirror. However, I opted not to get the vanity as it was not my particular style and we would instead save our money on that end.
From our slumber and turn to each other to finally say.
Instead, I had this mirror from my old room that my father so kindly put up. Thank you, Padre. I used it to do my makeup, but the reason why I decided against the vanity mirror was because this mirror is my love. I added all my jewelry inside. It makes searching for jewelry a lot easier. I added these starlights to give it a mood. The bed is great. It has 4 cabinets for storage, and for demonstration, I'm just showing you 2 here. Our bed also came with an extra cabinet space on the headboard, which I keep my daily items in, including my Vicks. My Latino people will know. Ha! Another reason I decided not to get a vanity mirror is because I would rather have a working space. I create a lot of content, hence I need the space to do my work. Also, I'm an inventive Aquarius with a lot of Capricorn in my birth chart, so these ladies needed some space to flourish. I left my old white desk with the storage behind in New York. Though I loved my storage, this desk was great because I can manipulate it to a level that is good for my posture or to work standing. Sometimes it's good to take a break from sitting for long hours. There are many versions of this desk, but I got the most affordable one from Amazon. To fix the storage problem though, I just bought this filing cabinet from Walmart. Surprisingly, it fits all the things I had on my old desk. And yeah, I put my makeup on top. Bathroom. I was not sure if I would show you the bathroom, but she's tiny. You know, our bathroom was a partial remodel. The gray tiled floors were new. I just kept things in this space very minimal, clean, and that's all you need to know. She's cute. Moving on. Also, welcome to our kitchen. We spend a lot of time cooking here on weekdays. It's been really fun to learn how to cook other meals so far. Again, I keep my kitchen very minimal, and you know I do the Hispanic thing and put the pots inside the oven. Lastly is the boyfriend's desk. Again, this space is all his. Currently, he's creating a puzzle with Grogu and the Mandalorian. Honestly, this space is his. I let him do him, and that's all I have to say for this little corner of our living room. Alright llamas, I hope you enjoyed this mini apartment tour of our home and hope this video helped any movers out there. See you all in the next one. Peace.